Hi guys, it's gonna be lighter fluid review. Okay. It's Zippo versus ronsonol. And well, first of all, this is way cheaper. You can find it pretty much anywhere. I got this at Walmart for $2. It's 8 ounces. This is 12 ounces. I got this for $8. I got it off of Amazon because I don't know where to buy this locally. And we'll start with ronsonol. I think I say it ronsonol. There's an OL at the end. Okay. First, it lasts a lot longer. Like Zippo fluid, it evaporates like within the first day for me, 2 or 3 days. This, I had it in my Zippo for like a week and a half, and it ran perfectly. Like the flame didn't shrink or anything. It was just the same until it ran out. And the thing that Zippo has over ronsonol is when ronsonol fluid is burning, it makes this smell. It's strong. Zippo makes it too, but ronsonol is stronger. It doesn't bother me, but it might bother some of you guys. And when you have, I'll show you this. Okay. And here's the Zippo. The advantages you get with the Zippo fluid is, oh yeah, and here's the thing that I found with the Zippos. What happens when they're almost down? And I barely used this, and I just filled it yesterday. See the flame? It like floats up and disappears, and then it's still lit down there. It's the thing that I found with it. And Zippo fluid chars the wick more. It darkens it. Ronsonol stayed white for a while. The advantages you get with Zippo and the disadvantages with ronsonol. If you use ronsonol, that voids your warranty on your Zippo. I don't know why. It just does. It's what it says. And the Zippo advantage is that it's cleaner burning and low odor. It doesn't smell. And I don't know what else to say about it. Overall, I like ronsonol better. It's cheaper. You can find it just about anywhere. The only thing that I don't like about it, well, I like it. It doesn't bother me. But the only thing that is, the only flaw in it is the smell. But it doesn't bother me. So, if you have a cheap Zippo, like $10 one like this from Walmart, you might as well just not pay $10 for this and just pay $2 for this. Because if this breaks, just get a new one. Because that's the same price as this, so why would you buy that? And this is only $2. I would buy Zippo fluid all the time if I had a place to buy it. But I like ronsonol fluid better. Seems to last longer. Okay, well, that's all for this video. And I'm not really sure what to do next. So if you guys know any videos, go ahead and post in the comments what you want me to do. Because I'm not sure what to do.